Wally the Cockatiel, known for his playful nature, decides it's time for some fun. One sunny morning, he spots a mischievous butterfly fluttering around the garden. With his quirky little hops, he darts after it, chirping in excitement. However, Wally's antics lead him into a wild tangle of vines. With feathers ruffled and a comical expression, he tries to untangle himself while still keeping an eye on that elusive butterfly. Just when he thinks he's free, he accidentally gets caught in a nearby petunia's thatch, looking like a feathery bouquet. Finally, after a mix of silly flaps and chirpy giggles, Wally learns it's not just about the chase, but the fun of the adventure itself.